Hello everyone, I am Girish Wadhwani. Today I am here to share something very personal. So this is one of the big reason I was still in a bad relationship and I couldn't get out of it. So I was going through a rough in my previous marriage. I am actually not a quitter and I gave my all for the relationship to work out. And I spent months and months crying because it wasn't working out, and even if I tried my best, I was still suffering. Even after trying hard, there was always this thought that hurted me a lot, that I'm guilty for whatever happened and was still happening. Guilt became the reason for my financial losses, my health deteriorating, my ability to learn and comprehend, and I started feeling like a victim. This further created various complications in the relationship, and then I started feeling that might be I'm also at a fault. So I didn't know what to do, where to go for help. I was getting worse by the day to the extent that led to self-hatred. So guilt was the reason I lost my reasoning ability and I couldn't take the right decisions in my life, and I ruined quite a few good years of my life. But there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and this is where I got my light when I decided that it's too much. And one of the tools that helped me in coming out of this guilt, in coming out of this whole situation, was a very powerful tool that has transformed me from within, and it was nothing else but writing. So I started writing. Before that I was never a consistent diary writer, but in the process I kept on writing, which helped me to be calm, composed, and I also started getting sound sleep after I started writing. And that's that. Like, that is how I came out of all the guilt, all the suffering I was going through, and I have been able to transform my life, and I think I can help you too. So I've taught this to a lot of people. Like, previously it wasn't a professional thing, but I had Google group through which I helped a lot of people transform their lives only through writing, and that is how it kept evolving, and today I'm helping quite a few people just by the way of diary writing. Thank you.